In today's video we're just going to quickly run through how to save your most used recording modes. So on the GH6 we've run through the camera and we've run through a lot of the shooting modes on the camera, and sort of as you've seen there's a lot in there. So a good idea is to, if we jump into menu and then we need the video camera, and then we come down into the third one down, which is image format. And we've got the recording quality there, so you can see just about beneath that there's another option called recording quality, my list, and that's greyed out at the moment because I don't actually have anything in there, but essentially what it allows you to do, you can go through all of these modes. So I'm set to the Marvel MOV recording mode at the moment, so I've got lots and lots of different recording options available. If you're an MP4, I think you have 6 options in there. ProRes only 2. So what you can do, you can pick it out from any of them, but you can kind of jump in, pick out ones that you'll maybe use the most. So if it's maybe this one, sort of HD 25 frames, the kind of lowest setting, we could come in and you can see just down here it says Q, add to list. So if we press the Q button, you can see it lets you add to the list, and then you can either just come over, or obviously you can touch the screen, so you can do yes. And then what we've got now, when we come back, you can see my list now actually is highlighted, and we can come into here, and then in this menu now we've got our HD 25 frame option in there. So what we can do is essentially just take all our kind of our favourite codecs and resolutions and just add them all into there. So you could add a 4K 25 in there maybe. If you like to shoot open gate sometimes, you could add that into there, and then once they're in there it's just a lot easier than having to cycle through everything. So you can just go in, you've got your main options that you usually shoot with, so maybe 4K 25 frames, HD 25 frames, and then open gate. And then if we come back, what makes it even easier, so we've obviously talked about this before, the Q menus, we can jump into the quick menu, and we've got our recording quality there. But what you can also do, this one, sorry, I'm using the wrong button, this one over here is the recording quality, my list. So you can see now I can just dive into the quick menu and pull out recording formats from here. So rather than having to dig through this sort of huge list of different shooting options, I can just pick out my favourite ones really quickly. So that's essentially, that really is the whole feature. And then if you kind of go in and say you want to change to a different format or something, you're not using it anymore, you can just hover over that one, and then Q in the My List menu actually just deletes it. So then you can just take these out and just clear the list, and then that's it really. So it's just a really nice quick way to be able to get to all the recording modes that you want to use without having to swap through all the custom dials or have to set those up. So hopefully that's helped. Give the video a like if it has. If you want to see more GH6 content, then please subscribe to the channel.